Question 2. During a softball match, the teacher promised a team of 8 pupils equal playing time for a 40 minutes match. Given that only 5 players could play at any one time, what was the average playing time for each pupil? So the first thing we want to do is find out the total playing time, because for average, we are going to need total playing time to find it. So total playing time would be, so we know that only 5 players can play at any one time. So 5 people, and we know that one match is 40 minutes. So in total, the playing time would be 200 minutes. And this 200 minutes is to be shared with 8 pupils. So the average playing time will always be total divided by number of people. So 200 minutes divided by 8 pupils, and this gives us 25 minutes. So this is your final answer.